Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters: System Dark Mode. Open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and choose Dark so System UI, many apps and widgets switch immediately. Once done, make sure to set Appearance to Manual if you want it permanent, or use Scheduled to auto-toggle at sunset. This makes the largest impact quickly. You'll also want to confirm Night Shift and True Tone settings don't interfere with perceived contrast. Adjust or disable them to keep blacks deep and consistent. Next, force darkness where the system can't. Choose a pure black wallpaper, especially on OLED iPhones, to save battery and preserve true black. Open individual apps and enable their dark theme options. Some apps default to device appearance, but others need manual switching. If an app lacks a dark mode, use settings right arrow accessibility, right arrow display, and text size, right arrow smart invert to invert colors while preserving images. This fills most remaining gaps and creates a cohesive, consistently dark experience across your phone. Finish by locking the experience and handling problems. Disable automatic appearance toggle so dark mode stays active. Confirm focus or scheduled settings aren't switching themes. If an app suddenly shows a light UI, restart your iPhone first. That clears theme caches. Still broken? Update iOS and the app. Many theme issues are fixed in updates. As a last resort, reinstall the app or reset settings, right arrow general, right arrow transfer, or reset iPhone, right arrow reset to restore theme behavior without erasing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.